In this video from Device Doctor, I'll show you how to boot any Microsoft Surface device from a USB drive and access the UEFI settings. This method works for most Microsoft Surface models and is perfect for Windows installation.
Hey, are you still spending your money at repair shops? Join Device Doctor and learn how to fix your laptop and desktop yourself and enjoy the savings.
Unlike most laptops, Microsoft Surface devices do not use the standard boot keys to access the UEFI settings or boot from a USB drive. Instead, they require a specific button combination to open the UEFI menu and change the boot options. First, connect your bootable USB drive containing the Windows installation files to your Microsoft Surface device. Now press and hold the volume down button. While holding it, press the power button for a few seconds until the boot menu appears. It's that simple. From this point, the Windows installation process is straightforward. For most users, accessing the boot menu is the only difficult part. If you need help with the remaining steps, simply keep watching until the end of the video. The remaining Windows installation steps are the same as a normal Windows installation. Since there are no specific changes on Microsoft Surface devices, this part has been sped up. The remaining Windows installation steps are the same as a normal Windows installation. Since there are no specific changes on Microsoft Surface devices, this part has been sped up.